Now, in the late 20th century, when the cloud came out, everyone started to rush immediately out, like wave out into the ocean, out to the cloud. And they had a nice menu of options to use, and if your company fit those options, you were in great shape. And if you fit a single cloud strategy on menu option number 13, you were golden. Now, we find that companies are merging, they're proliferating, people are working from home, and every other imaginable permutation that exists out in the workforce. So the cloud has to permutate with it. The question comes up, what's a multi-cloud strategy? So multi-cloud strategy means that customers are saving and using their data in different clouds. Of course, we know the cloud means that we don't have to buy all that equipment and create server farms and storage. And we no longer have to have all of our employees in that office building where the data is located. We are, of course, in the cloud. The multi-cloud strategy is important because there are public clouds. These are vast communities where your data sits with everyone else, and it is an affordable price, and it is very secure, and it's reliable. So thumbs up to the public cloud. Then we have private clouds, which are far more customizable and may be local to your location. And so it's only natural that a combination strategy between the public cloud and the private cloud is going to make sense. Now come the 2010s, in the last 10 years, we have customizable private clouds that are really customizable to the customer's own needs. For instance, a creation called On-Premise as a Service, or OPAS. It's literally a cloud at your location. Imagine a stack of equipment with blinking lights that you don't have to manage, but it literally brings the cloud to your doorstep. So we have the public cloud, the private cloud, the custom private cloud, and on-premises as a service, all of which can meet the needs of an individual company. Now that we know what a multi-cloud strategy is, the question for companies is why? Why does it matter to me? Well, each company is going to be in a different stage of their evolution. Some companies have already embraced the public cloud for a certain segment of their workload. And this may be archived data, and it's perfectly fine out in the public cloud. Realizing and wanting to embrace more of the benefits of OpEx, operational expenses, and having their compute and storage as a service, they then craft a solution out to the custom private cloud, or even on-premise as a service, where they can do their compute and their storage together at a location. And it be served up in a cloud. And better yet, it can connect to the public cloud for all the benefits of backup and recovery. In times of ransomware and natural disasters, backup and recovery is as important as ever. And remember, it is the recovery that matters. And so customers adopt the best practices for their disaster recovery, often used in a zip code 32210, 3 copies of the data, 2 locations, 2 different media, 1 off-site, and 0 errors. It's kind of a cool little mantra to remember, but using the multi-cloud strategy is a way to get there. I hope you learned something from this video today. My name is Joe Sacchetti, Channel Chief at Zadara, and we'll see you in the cloud.